My name is Anwar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how you can establish a console session with PuTTY and how Cisco Catalyst switch set a management IP and allow web management. Access a Cisco switch through the serial console port. You can see the picture where I have shown how we can connect a switch using a console port to a computer. So what you need to do? First you need to connect a Cisco switch and computer using a rollover console cable. Connect the rollover console cable to RJ45 console port of the switch you can see. Then connect the other cable end to the serial COM port on your computer. So now let's go to the PuTTY, how we can connect a switch using rollover cable. So before that I need to make sure from my computer my console port, what are the console port number, because at the time of login using console port I have to mention my serial port number. So let's go to the device manager. Under the ports you can see my console port number is COM5. Remember that, okay? Open PuTTY, select serial and put your serial port number. So my port number is 5. Then click open. You can see it shows switch console 0 is now available. Press enter to start. Which is connected through the serial console port. Switch console 0 is now available. So press enter to log into the switch. We have the requirement that in that switch we need to assign a IP address to manage the switch, as well as we would like to manage the switch in graphical mode from web. To make it happen, what we need to do? We need to log in. We need to go to configuration terminal. And here we need to assign IP address under one of the VLAN. In my case, in that switch, everything is VLAN 1. So let IP address under VLAN 1. So the configuration is interface VLAN 1 and to put the IP address. So in my network, my IP address is 192.168.1. So I am giving IP address for this switch 20. The subnet mask 55.255.255.0. By default, in Cisco switch, the interface is we need to make it up. So for that, the command is no shut. Okay. Now we need to enable a password for graphical interface using web portal. Enable. Password. I'm giving the password Cisco. Okay. Now we have to assign default gateway for the network. Default gateway. My gateway is 192.168.1.1. Okay. Now enable a HTTP server to get the graphical interface from web. IP HTTP server. Okay. Okay, our configuration is done. Now let's check. Show IP interface. You can see one IP is assigned under VLAN 1 and this port status showing the app. Do the ping to my gateway. Yes, it reaching my gateway. So now I will show you how you can manage this switch from web. So let's go back to Internet Explorer. Now let's go to Internet Explorer. Put the IP address .168.1.20. It is asking password, user ID and password. At the time of configuration, we have given one password. So input this password. Then click OK. Select no. Look, we can see our switch present status, and this is my switch, and all the interfaces is showing. And interface 1, this is connected to my network, and rest of the interface is empty. And we can see fan status. We can see the temperature. You can see the bandwidth status also, and the switch name, IP address, MAC address, and you can do some configuration also. There is some configuration. You can change the port setting. If you want to enable or disable, you can easily manage the port from here. You can also change the port speed. You can also change the duplex, half or full. You can also do the reset or restart the switch. You can monitor the switch. You can upgrade the ISO from this graphical interface. So that's all about today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.